What's up, everyone? It's your boy Vlad coming with a quick video. So, today I'm going to be talking about Breakout. Let me just make sure the volume and everything is up. Then we can get right to it. Hope you guys had a wonderful day today. If you hear any snoring in the background, it's actually my son. He is sleeping. Put him down, so hopefully this video don't even wake him up. But I'm getting there, guys. Snoring in the background. I'm just gonna share this on Facebook real quick. And once I do, quick. And once I do, alright, so now I'm just gonna be live on YouTube as well as Facebook. Excuse my voice. Alright, I'm gonna start off with this ticker. It's SPNV. I traded this yesterday and I end up selling it today. So I'm just gonna be, and this way you guys can see like the potential behind these trades, YouTube as well as Facebook. Excuse my voice. All right, I'm gonna start off with this. Okay, let me just exit out of that. All right, there we go. All right, so this is a new ticker. It's only been trading just for a couple of days. So I'm gonna show you what I saw and why did I trade it. Why did I think it had more potential room to go up? For anyone who don't know what a breakout is pretty much when the stock is hitting new highs. So whenever it's hitting new highs, you just got to think about it from like a ceiling point of view. If this is the highest that the stock ever gotten before, let me zoom in, or let me zoom in. If this is the highest that the stock ever gotten before, so this let me know that it has not found a ceiling yet, because stocks, they tend to move up and down, and when you see a stock that's moving up and down, sometimes they are stuck between a channel. So certain time you'll see a stock, it'll go up, it can't pass this level, and it'll go down, it can't pass this level. So that's how you determine like where the channel is at. Once you find that the stock is breaking past the channel, then that tend to be what is called the breakout level. So on the bottom here, this is the yearly chart. On the top, this is intraday, and what an intraday is what the stock is doing that day The bottom part represent what the stock has been doing for the year. So each one of these boxes signify a day. And the top part, this just represent like each one of these little bars represent a minute in time. So I'm not gonna get into advanced, candle charting. What I'd recommend doing if you don't know what charts is, to actually look up on YouTube what is candle chart. They have people doing amazing videos on it. So I'm just gonna go under the impression that you know what candle chart is. So with this candle here, looking at it from the day that I traded it, from this candle here, that was considered the highest point of the chart. So we're looking back from a couple of days ago. Let me change the view for 5 day 5 minutes. So this was this point right here. This point when I was trading it yesterday, this was yesterday and this is today. But when I was trading it yesterday, I saw that this was the highest point. So notice how the stock, I'm just gonna, alright, so this is the view that I saw. That right here is considered to be, I think it was like 33 cents. This was 33 cents. So this stock got up and the highest point for it was 33 cents. Then as soon as it hit 33 cents, the value of that particular share of that company started climbing down. So it got all the way as low as 20 cents. So that's how much it was valued at the end of the day. So starting off with the next day, once I saw this was the highest point of it and there was no other point in this history of this stock that have gotten past 33 cents, I know if this stock get past 33, then it tend to go to the 40s or even the 50s. So I know it's going to have a big upside if it can get past this 33 cents mark. So all I'm doing, just mapping it out on the chart. Like I would just draw something here. It's like that. Let me draw. There you go. Boom. The angle might be a little off, but oh well. What is this thing? Back to the point. Okay. So 33 cents. That's the highest point. So as I'm watching this continue to just move, so this is how I was looking at it. It began to move real time. So these candles, as they go up, the value of the share of that stock is starting to climb. So once I saw that it passed 33 cents, that was my signal. Okay, this stock is breaking out. That's why we call it a breakout. It's breaking past the highest point. So it broke out. I got in on this right before the market closed. This little gray bar right here considers the market close. And the next day, it just had a rip up. It's going to keep going until it finds a ceiling. So for this, the ceiling for that was 49 cents. So with the breakout, one thing you always got to remember, if you do the analogy, I always say this analogy about an apartment complex. There's the, whoever's on the first floor, their ceiling is considered somebody else's floor. So imagine this line right here is the ceiling. Once you get past the ceiling, the stock tend to go higher. It got to find another ceiling before it start coming down. So this by far is the one of the best strategy. It's not the best. I mean, I play them when I see them, but it's one of the best ways of as far as growing a small account. If you have limited amount of money and you're trying to make money in the stock market, this strategy right here to me is one of the best because it's real simple. I mean, all you're doing is looking at a chart, determining where is the highest point on the chart, and you actually let it come. You actually let it happen. You're not actually forcing it, because had it not reached this point, I never would have bought it. So it passed this level, real simple. Once it did, that's my buy signal. And let's say if it didn't do it, like it went past it and decided to come back down, I know to get out. And the reason why I know to get out and just to get a quick loss, because in the stock market you're gonna lose, you're gonna make money, but the objection of it is to, when you lose, you minimize your loss. Because had I bought it here, right around here, at like 34 cents. If I'm wrong, I'm losing 2 cents at most. Sell it at like 32 cents. So, boo, you're wrong. But look at the upside when you're right. This thing went from, let's say you got in like 34 cents. This thing went all the way to 49 cents. So if you're wrong, don't worry about if you're wrong about a play, because if you're wrong, you just cut a loss, cut a small loss, and wait for another setup to happen. Because when you're right, you're gonna end up making more in the long run, even if you're wrong, because you don't have to be 100% right all the time in the stock market. Because plenty of time, I try to buy this same move and the stock did not react. I think the percentage of this working, it's about 70% for breakout. So the 30% that it don't work out, all I'm doing is cutting for a small loss on this ticker. But the time that I am right, this thing skyrockets. So that was just one example of what I traded yesterday. And today, this one was probably the best one. This one, you're going to see the picture a little bit more differently, because this one, it has more days. So as you could see, the stock wasn't doing nothing. It popped up. So looking at it from showing you from my angle, from what I saw today, because the other part I did not see. Like, this is the breakout right here at about 39 cents. So 39 cents was the breakout level. And right here, this is what it did this morning. This was 39 cents right here. Right here. So this morning, that's what it did. It went past 39 and actually got all the way up to 42 cents. So if you're trying to buy the breakout, you would have had to cut a loss because it went past 39, and guess what it did? It slammed right back down. So as soon as you would have passed the 39 cents mark, what you would have did just cut for a quick loss and just wait. And that's what I did. I didn't buy it in the morning because normally, in my experience, I don't find that breakout work in the morning. I find that they work a little bit better in the afternoon. So for me, based upon experience, I don't buy breakouts in the morning. So if it happens, then it's just gonna go without me. But so I still had this on my watch list. Um, After I saw the breakout, then it faded for the rest of the day. Then right around here, I bought in because it went back to the breakout level, and it did break out on this little volume right here. And once it did that, I started buying right around here. I think I bought right around here. And I rode this all the way up to like 49 cents, and I sold. So as you could see, breakouts, there's not going to be a lot of overhead pressure of people selling because nobody bought in these areas. So that's another reason why breakout worked too, because you gotta think about it from this point of view too. The people who are buying, they're buying here, 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 here. So if they start losing money and the stock can start to go back up. So imagine if you were losing money for a couple of days and now you finally see a stock going back up to the place where you initially bought. Uh, the psychology behind it is like, okay, I'm gonna try to cut for a loss or come as close to break even or even come break even as possible. So that's gonna cause selling pressure. So with selling pressure, more people who selling, it's supply and demand. More people who selling, not enough buyers, is gonna cause the price to dip. So you get here on a breakout, and there's not people because there's really nobody past the 39 level. So there's no sellers. The people who are going to sell are the one who probably just bought maybe down here, but it's not going to be a lot of selling pressure. Versus, had there been had the chart shown a lot of people who had already purchased right around 45 cents, 50 cents, then it's going to slowly come up because they got to fill all those other people's order who already bought and who are losing. So that's the reason why a breakout worked. Same thing for this DCGD. The same pattern. Like you see the same pattern over and over and over and over again. So that's why, like with the stock market, you really don't have to guess. You just have to memorize patterns. Like this been going on for probably over 20 years, the same pattern being recycled. Like if you look at this stock from this point of view on this day, the highest point was 37 cents. And the next day it broke past 37 cents. Once it did that, no selling pressure. Then the stock went all the way up to 53 cents. Like, and the crazy thing with this stock here, it just kept doing breakout. Now the another highest point here was 58 cents. That's the highest they ever got. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Boom. Right here, there goes the breakout past 58 cents. No selling pressure. So it got all the way up to 78 cents. So far, that's two breakouts. Because another thing too, you got that I like in breakouts, the consolidating part. It's healthy for stocks to go up and for it to come down and to do like side to side action. So you want to see that all as well when you're looking for a breakout, because it went up, because all the people that are in here or in here, they're selling, or some people that was there. So it's gonna recycle. So new buyers are gonna come in and new sellers. So you may have some sellers over here too at 92 cents. That's the highest at that point in time. And what you see here, 92, get taken away on this day. It got all the way up to a high of $1.39. And I was playing this the same ticker. Not with all the breakouts, but I was definitely playing this ticker. So okay, now the highest form that it got here was $1.45. So that's the highest point. Again, you're gonna see this time it didn't even do that much consolidation. So 44, another breakout. And it got all the way up to $2.22. This is a stock that started from literally the bottom. It was trading below a penny, and just in a matter of 2 months, it went from below a penny all the way to $2.22. Me, I would never held, because with this type, and I'll make another video, this action normally comes afterwards. So, but yeah, it's breakouts. I mean, these are just examples. But remember, with breakouts, when it peak, you want to see some type of consolidation, of the stock going trading side to side or coming down. Then on that day, whatever breaks out, that's the day you buy. Buy as close as you can to the breakout. And again, here it is again. Consolidate, consolidate. Breakout level on this day was 58 cents. Broke past 58 cents. Going up. Here's the consolidation part. So consolidate. Highest point on the chart now is 92 cents. So here comes consolidation, consolidation. And boom, on this day, it broke past 92 cents, got all the way up to $1.39. Had a little bit of consolidation here, then passed $1.39 and went all the way up to $2.22 before it had this massive collapse here. So yeah, you'll see the same, like I said, same pattern over and over. There it is. One is forming. I mean, not saying that this may get to $1, because not all of them, happen like that. And the reason why I don't just buy it and just hold and just magically sell, at $1, is because this will inevitably happen, and you definitely don't want to get caught on that day. So that's why I just buy the breakout when it happened. So I'm keep an eye on this, because it may tomorrow, more likely it is going to have another leg up. Well, not necessarily. It may just gap up, and the people who are buying, they're going to take profits, of course, and that's going to cause the price to come down. Then I'm going to wait and see if there's any consolidation. If there's any consolidation, looking at the 52.7 mark. If it break past 52.7, then yes, I will buy it. And this may go to like 60 or 70 cents, and so on and so on. But yeah, I hope this video makes sense. I'm gonna try to get in the habit of making more videos. I keep saying that, which I never do, but I'm definitely gonna try to make a habit of making more videos, because I do get a lot of requests to make videos. So here I am, just fulfilling that promise to you guys. So this is Vlad signing off. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. Tomorrow is one more day in the markets to trade. See if you could find a breakout play. If you're nervous about playing a breakout play, just use use small money. Try trading with $100. Yeah, and I'll make a video another video soon on how to find them. Guess I can make it real quick. Really, I just used a scanner. Use Thinkorswim scanner. I'll make a separate video just explaining it, because it just popped up in my scanner. I went through the chart and boom, 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 I was in it. But yeah, this is Vlad signing off. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. And hey, have fun out there. Happy trading for tomorrow. Peace.